Good morning, everyone. I'm here again for the new chapter. Let's see what's our new chapter. Our new chapter is chapter number 4, numbers up to 20. Now, children, as we have done numbers up to 10, that means हमारी 10 तक की काउंटिंग के हमने numbers को पढ़ा, लिखा और आगे समझा. But now in this chapter हम थोड़ा और आगे बढ़ेंगे एंड वी विल स्टडी नंबर्स अप टू 20. 20 तक की काउंटिंग के नंबर्स को हम पढ़ना लिखना सीखेंगे. सबसे पहले वार्म अप एक्टिविटी. ये पिक्चर हमें दी गई है जिसके बेसिस पर अब हमारी एक स्टोरी स्टार्ट होती है. वो हम पढ़ेंगे और आंसर करेंगे. काउंट एंड फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. हमें काउंटिंग करनी है और अपने फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है. रमन वेंट टू अ पार्क ऑन संडे. रमन पार्क में गया था. जैसा कि हम देख सकते हैं वो पार्क में गया था संडे को. ही स्टॉप्ड एट अ टॉय स्टॉल. वो एक टॉय स्टॉल पर जाकर रुक गया. द टॉय स्टॉल हैड dash teddy bears. Now we have to check how many teddy bears are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are having 10 teddy bears. So I'm going to write the counting 10. Dash cars. Now they have cars also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. They are having 7 cars. Dash aeroplanes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 aeroplanes. And last, dash dolls. Let's count the dolls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are having 10 dolls. And dash balls. Now they are asking about the balls also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Finally, they have 12 balls. Now, then he saw dash girls. Now, how many girls are there? 1, 2 and 3. So, they are having 3 girls enjoying the ride on a merry-go-round. वो झूला झूल रही हैं. किस पर? इस झूले को बोलते हैं मेरी गो राउंड. इन वन कॉर्नर ही सॉ डैश फ्लावर्स. अब उसने एक कोने में कुछ फ्लावर्स देखे. फ्लावर्स क्या कर रहे हैं? ब्लूमिंग, खिल रही हैं. लेट्स सी. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 फ्लावर्स को उसने खिलते हुए देखा जो खिल रहे हैं. फाइनली ही सॉ ग्रुप ऑफ डैश बॉयज सिटिंग इन द पार्क. फिर उसने ग्रुप देखा बॉयज का और उस ग्रुप में कितने बॉयज थे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 बॉयज थे जो बैठे थे पार्क में एंड जॉइन देम टू हैव फन. और उसने उन्हीं बॉयज को ज्वाइन किया फन करने के लिए. चलिए, इन द फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज वी विल स्टडी बिल्डिंग नंबर्स. To build the numbers from 11 to 20, make a group of 10 and fill in the blanks. वो कह रहे हैं कि हम नंबर्स को जब 11 से 20 के बारे में पढ़ेंगे तो फर्स्ट हम बनाएंगे 10 का ग्रुप एंड उसके बाद बाकी जो बचे हुए नंबर्स हैं उसको ऐड करेंगे. लेट्स सी विद एन एग्जांपल. वी हैव 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. उन्होंने 10 कैंडल्स का एक ग्रुप बनाया. So we have 10 candles. When we write 10, we all know that 0 will be written as ones and 1 will be written at tens. So we have 1 tens. Okay. And the last candle is only 1. So this is 1 ones. Yani ki 10 plus 1, total I have 11 candles. Okay. One more example we will see. We have first group where 10 kites are there. So 10 kites. How we write? 1 10 is tens. Now at ones places how many are there? 1 and 2. At tens place we have 2 kites. So plus 2. My answer is 12. Okay. At tens places we have 10 kites. So 1 tens. At tens places we have 2 kites. So 2 ones. So 10 plus 2. My answer is 12. All these questions will be done in the same manner. Now next topic is place value of a digit. The place value of a digit depends on its place in the number. किसी भी नंबर की प्लेस वैल्यू उसकी पोजीशन, उसकी जगह, उसकी प्लेस पर डिपेंड करती है. Look at the number 15. Now we have number 15. Now 15, 5 is written under ones and 1 is written under tens. So there is one group of 10. So we are locking 10 keys in one and rest are 5. 5 ones, that means extra we have 5 keys. So like this, in 15, 1 is in the tens place and 5 is in the ones place. Thus, the place value of 1 is 110. यानी कि जो place value 1 की है वो 110 है, or you can call it 10. And the place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5. और 5 की वैल्यू क्या है? 5 ones, या आप उसको बोल सकते हैं 5. Expanded form of a number. The expanded form of a number can be expressed as the sum of place values. Expanded form क्या होता है? किसी भी नंबर की जो भी डिजिट्स आ रही हैं उन डिजिट्स की प्लेस वैल्यू को ऐड करना, उसको बोलते हैं expanded form. In expanded form 18. In 18 there is 1 tens and 8 ones. If we see, this is in words. In numbers, if we see 10 plus 8. So this is your expanded form. Remember, the sum of the expanded form of a number is called its short form. किसी भी expanded form का जब हम sum निकालते हैं उसको बोलते हैं short form. 1 tens plus 3 ones, that means 10 plus 3 is 13. So this 13 is the short form and 1 tens and 3 ones is the expanded. ये expanded form है. चलिए, let's do exercise 4A. Question 1. Find out how many tens and ones are there. हमें देखना है कि कितने tens और कितने ones हैं. One has been done for you. एक हमने आपके लिए किया है. In the first picture, these are tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 pairs in the first group and 4 pairs are in the second. So tens place is 1, ones place is 4. So total we have 14 pairs. In the same way, we are going to do the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. We are making the first group 1 tens. Now after that we are left with 5 books. So there is 1 tens and then we have 5. So total we have 15 books. 1 tens and 5 ones. We have 15. All these parts will be done in the same way. Now we move on to question 2. Complete the table. हमें इस टेबल को complete करना है. 1 tens. 1 tens माने 10 and 9 ones, जिसका मतलब होता है 9. So total हो गए हमारे 19. 10 plus 9 is 19. In words I have written 19. In the second part, they are saying 15. 15 is the total. So I will write in words 15. और अब इसी को हम words में लिखेंगे. Same 110 and हमारी ones place पर कितना आ रहा है? 5. So 5 ones. Okay. Now next 110 and 4 ones. So we can understand easily 1 and 4, 14. Here 1 tens and 1 ones is 11. Now write in number name. हम उसकी स्पेलिंग लिखेंगे 11. चलिए क्वेश्चन 3. राइट द प्लेस वैल्यू ऑफ द कलर्ड डिजिट. जितनी भी ये कलर्ड डिजिट्स हैं इनकी प्लेस वैल्यू लिखनी है. 1 is at tens place. इसको सॉल्व करने का सबसे बेस्ट वे होता है राइट वंस एंड टेंस ऑन द टॉप. सबसे पहला काम Always write ones and tens on the top. It will make the answer easy to write. So 1 is coming at the tens place, so its value will be 10. Now 2 is coming at ones place, so its value will be 2 ones. Again 7, 9. So like this you are going to do it on your own. Question number 4, write the expanded form. Now we have already started the expanded form. Let's do one part. The first part is 12. Again, we will write ones and tens. At the tens place, we have 1. So my answer will be 10. And at the ones place, I have 2. So this is 2. My expanded form is 10 plus 2. So this is the answer of the first part. Rest, you can do it on your own. Now question number 5. Write the expanded form in words. Now if you have to write these numbers in words. First, I will see 19. How to write 19? 10 plus 9. This is how we write. Now we can easily write it in words. 1 tens and 9 ones. Just now we have studied how to write. Okay. 1 is at the tens place, so 1 10, and 9 is at ones place, so 9 ones. Question number 6, write the short form of the following. Now we have to write the short form of the following. That means we have to add the place values and write its number. First one is 110, that means 1, and 7 ones, that means 7. So my answer is 17. And second, we have 1 tens and 4 ones. So my number is 14. Rest 2, it's easy for us to do. We can do it easily. Now, next topic is comparison of numbers. Observe the number line. Again, we are going to study the number line, but this time till 20. The number line which is nearer to 0, जो सबसे पास है 0 के, on the number line is the smaller number. वो कह रहे हैं कि जो भी नंबर हमारा 0 के सबसे पास होता है, that is the smaller number, छोटा नंबर होता है. The number which is far away from 0, और जो नंबर 0 के जितना ज्यादा दूर होगा, जो सबसे दूर होगा, will be your greater number. वही नंबर बड़ा होता है. Let us compare 16 and 11. Since 16 is farther, अब हम देखते हैं 1 they are talking about 16 and the second number they are talking about 11. Now in this number line we can easily see that 11 is very near to 0 but 16 और दूर है. So since 16 is farther than 0, 16 ज़्यादा दूर है 0 से and 11 is still near to 0, वो फिर भी बहुत पास है 0 के, इसीलिए 16 is greater than 11, इसीलिए 16 बड़ा है हमारा 11 से. चलिए exercise 4b. Now in this question 1 we have to circle the greatest number. हमें सबसे बड़े नंबर को सर्कल करना है एंड टिक करना है किसको, स्मॉलर नंबर को, और छोटे नंबर को हम टिक करेंगे. वी विल डू वन पार्ट. In the A part 12, 15, 10 and 4. We have 4 numbers. So which is the greatest number? Yes, 15. 15 is the greatest number. So I am circling the number 15 and tick mark the smallest number. In 4 numbers में सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? 4. So I am going to tick mark 4. Okay. Rest all the parts will be done in the same way. Write the number which comes before, between and after. ये हमने chapter 1 में पढ़ा था, right? So same procedure, same thing. Before means पहले, between means बीच में, and after means बाद में. So let's do the A part. What about before? 4 के पहले क्या आएगा? 3. Okay. So we can easily do this. Now in between, What number comes between 4 and 6? 4 और 6 के बीच में कौन सा आता है? 5. Very good. So 4, 5 and 6. Now after means बाद में. 7 के बाद में क्या आता है? 8. Rest two parts we can do in the same way. Before, between and after. Now question number 3. Again you have to put the sign in the boxes where you can tell that which number is bigger and which number is smaller. 10 and 15. So we all know that 15 is a bigger number. So I will put the sign towards 15. The crocodile will open the mouth towards 15. In the B, both the numbers are same, 14, 14. So we will put equal sign. Rest we are going to do in the same way. Question number 4. Write these numbers starting smallest to the biggest. Now we have to write the numbers. अब हमें numbers को लिखना है. कैसे लिखना है? Smallest, छोटे से बड़े की तरफ. A part 8 to 11. So we have to start from 8, then counting 9, then 10 and lastly we have 11. अब check करिए कि आपने ठीक करा या नहीं. Starting from 8, yes. Ending at 11, yes. So my answer is correct. Now here we have to write the numbers starting from biggest to smallest. Now backward counting. Biggest पहले लिखना है, then smallest. So starting from 19, so 19, 18, 17 and finally 16. And again I can match 19, 19, 16, 16. Okay. So I hope you have understood this chapter. For the next chapter, we are going to meet in the new video. Till then, take care, have a nice day and keep smiling.